At around 6:45 a.m. of 10th November 2021, BHOI police of BYRNIHAT outpost were able to intercept a vehicle bearing registration number ML05J5714 at the National Highway Authority of India toll gate at 20th mile PAHAMMAWLEIN BHOI district while it was proceeding to Guwahati from Shillong. The vehicle that was driven by 27-year-old Pendapiang Marwen of Umkti Umroy in BHOI district was found to contain 3 kilograms of ganja or marijuana. The potent and selected preparation of marijuana that was properly tested was seized by the BHOI police, while the driver of the vehicle has been taken into police custody at the BYRNIHAT police outpost. It may be informed that Pendapiang Marwen has also been booked under the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances or NDPS Act 1985.